Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today's video is for Cast Iron Wednesday Challenge. So it's the month of October, so it's Oktoberfest. Now I don't normally do this, but I need to explain a little bit about the video. This is probably one of the hardest things I've tried to cook. I had an idea and thought, let's go with it. So this video is for a Brat Burger. Now I need to explain why I chose the method of cooking that I did, because some people will run me out of town for it. I use a silicone mat on top of the cast iron grill. The reason for this, if you wait to the end of the video and see the bloopers, it'll fully explain it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy the video. So to start off, I've just got two Bratwursts. All I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a knife and run it down the skin, through the skin. We're going to remove the skin. Don't need the skin, so we'll just discard that. Do the same to the second Bratwurst. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to slice these Bratwursts up. The rest of this in the bowl. Now I want to work this with my hands. I want to try and mince this up. I want to try and make like sausage meat. But this is quite tough. These have been in the fridge chilling. The more I work it, the more it seems to get more flexible. That seems to start to be sticking together. What we'll do now, we've got some greaseproof paper. Got a metal ring mould. We'll fill the mould with this Bratwurst. Once we've got all the Bratwurst into the ring mould, I'm just going to use this spatula to apply some pressure and push it down into the mould. Turn it over, apply some pressure on the other side. If you want to see how this cooked out, watch the blooper at the end. So there we have it. So that's about an inch thick. This is the second idea. I've got the same type of patty I made before. But this time I'm going to re-grind this. I want a thinner consistency of the meat. I'm going to push it through the grinder. This is more like ground meat that we know, and hopefully this will stick together better. So for this second attempt, what I'm going to use is a burger press. We're going to load the Bratwurst meat into the burger press. And what I'm going to do there, I'm going to apply as much pressure as I physically can I really want this to be really packed into this burger mould. So we'll pop it out and we'll see what we've got. So you can see this burger is only 3/4 inch thick. To start my charcoal, I'm going to use one of these. It's a blaze ball. What you do is you put 2 fire lighters in. Put the lid on. Drop it into your barbecue. Just going to light it up with a gas torch. I'm just going to leave that for a minute just to get established. So this is a brand new cast iron barbecue I'm using. It's called a BBQ-Toro. It's exactly the same as a Lodge Sportsman Grill, but we can't get them here in the UK. Now the flame's established, I'm going to add my barbecue briquettes. I'm probably about 20-25 briquettes here. I'm just going to remove the blaze ball, it's done its job. We'll spread the briquettes out. What I'm going to do to the right hand side here, I'm just going to have an even layer. I'll leave quite a lot of briquettes on the left hand side. I don't want to add too much heat while I'm trying to cook these burgers. So I'm going to pop the grill on. This grill has been seasoned since it's been new. But this is the first cook on it. As this is the first cook on this cast iron grill, I'm going to use a silicone mat, and also if you watch it at the end you'll see why. So this has been in the freezer for about 30 minutes and you can see it's quite firm. So we'll get this cooking. See the fat starting to come out. This is at about 5 minutes on this side. We're going to flip it. At this moment it seems to be holding together. I've got a regular beef patty also that I'm going to put on the grill. These have had another 5 minutes. We're going to turn them again. See the patty is lovely. Let's turn this Brat Burger. And I think that's why they put Bratwurst in a sausage skin. But we'll treat it with some delicacy and we'll carry on cooking. Now I've got 1 seeded roll. I'm just going to toast this off. So I'm happy with that. It's time to build this burger. So the first thing to put down is some black mayonnaise. Now black mayonnaise is just regular mayonnaise with some black food colouring in. Next thing to add to the burger is some finely chopped white onion. Drop our Bratwurst patty on. Got to be careful with it, it's starting to break up. Next thing, we've got some homemade curry ketchup. I'll put a description in below how to make this. Next onto the burger goes some sliced gherkins. Now we'll drop our beef patty on. All I've done is put a square of cheese on and let that start melting down. On top of the beef patty is some mild yellow mustard. Next thing to go onto the burger is some homemade sauerkraut. I'll put how to make this also down in the description below. And finally, we're going to cap it off with the lid. So you can't have a burger without some fries, and seeing as it's Oktoberfest, a nice beer. Yeah, the German flag didn't quite come out as I envisaged, but you can see what it is. It's time to get in here and have a taste. Yeah, the overwhelming flavour of this whole dish is the curry ketchup. As you can see, this was the first attempt at the Brat Burger, and literally it just fell apart. So this was the reason why I used the silicone mat. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.